Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you delete your Instagram account permanently. Here we go. First of all, open your Instagram on your mobile phone. Now come to your profile page. Here you have to click on the three lines. Now go to your account center. Here you have to scroll down and go to personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Here you have to click on deactivation or deletion. Now choose your Instagram account. Here you have to click on delete account because deleting your account is permanent and deactivation of account is temporary. Now continue. Here you have to choose the problem. Choose whatever you want. Now continue. Click on continue. Here you have to give it a password of your account. Now click on continue. Now click on delete account. Here it will take 30 days to delete your account. It will delete all the history of your account, your following, your likes, everything in the account will delete it after 30 days. So if you like the content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.